Welcome to the birthplace of Surron, Hongjo, China, a city 4 times the size of Los Angeles that you've never heard of before. This is the first time I've actually communicated directly with Surron. It may come as a surprise, I'm not part of the company, I've never been paid by them, never even talked to them until now. When they saw I was in China, they shot me an email and invited me over. So this was the biggest honor I could have. I may even dare to say I am the biggest Surron fan in the world. The first thing you see when you walk in is this lineup of Ultra B bikes next to the Light B and the Hyper B. I've never seen the Hyper B in person until now. Here's a little close up, and moving into the back, we start seeing that maybe here at Surron, they're having a little bit too much fun. They're shooting arrows indoors, they're hitting the wall, you can see it chipping the paint, and that's just the beginning of it. This next room is every Surron owner's dream. This is a Surron designed Surron service center. In this small room, Surron is able to do all of its Surron servicing, and it's just beautiful. I love all the yellow, I love the big hydraulic bike lifts. It's something I want myself. They just take up a lot of space in the garage. And this is the most beautiful wall of knickknacks and paddywhacks I've ever seen. Everything you can need on a Surron is here. It's labeled, it's ready to go. Someone needs to please sell this as a kit, like out of the box kit. They are diagnosing displays, they are playing foosball, they are eating snacks in the back, they are vibing here at Surron. And I got to vibe with the CEO, the head of Australia sales, the head of Europe sales, the head of service. It was just me and them, and we got to talk. Any question I had, I asked it. I was asking about the talaria drama they were filling me in. I was asking about their history, how they started. It was fascinating. I wish we recorded it. It would have been an amazing podcast. Reminds me of the Lunicycle podcast from 5 years ago that had some of these guys on it. If you want to know about that talaria drama, leave a comment below. We're loading up the Surron van, and they're driving me to go try out the new Surron. We got the 2025 Surron Ultra B. Got some Chinese music blasting in the background. It's a vibe. This is a 22 kilowatt bike. My first time ever riding it. And we just happened to be in China. I don't know how to use it. Sport mode. All right, I might start in the street. I know, I'm gonna do a little bit around in the dirt. Here we go. Dude, this thing is so strong. I just do not want to tear up the grass. I'm super against tearing up grass. I'm going into the street. How do I look though? Come on, Surron Ultra B.
So yeah, you know the traffic here, they think, well, we have car, we are the biggest. Be careful, right?
I'll be careful.
We don't want you to run into any trouble.
Thank you. Here we go. Whoa! No way. Look how beautiful it is here. Hongjo. Hongjo is how you pronounce it. It's a tech city in China. So like Alibaba's headquartered here. Here we go. Top speed on the 2025 Ultra B. It's too fast. I get the hype. I totally get the hype. I'm gonna need one of these. I'm like shaking a little bit right now. It feels way lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it would feel big and heavy. It's not. It kind of dies out though. Ton of power on the low end, but then it's almost hard to keep the wheel up. Look at that little van. Look at this little Suzuki van. That is so cool. They got a little cafe back there. That's awesome. Bro, I feel like I'm gonna get spit on like every couple seconds. When we were driving here, the taxi driver was spitting out his window, and then it would fly in through my window in the back, so I had to roll the window up, dude. It was like I could get a good bit of the wheelie in, and then it gave out.
Settings, so it's already...
ASR.
Yeah, I will.
What's ASR? Traction control. God damn. Yeah, that fixed it?
Yeah.
Dude. And there's a turbo mode I didn't know about.
Torque off the bottom.
Okay. Now we're wheeling, baby. Come on. Oh, that is powerful. With the turbo on, I'm turning it off. Go away. Oh, that's a cop. Chinese police incoming. This bike has no plates on it, but we do have one that has plates, and I'm gonna get that right now. Yeah, this thing would absolutely destroy public grass, and I'm against that. Opening up the Surron van. And all these little vans, dude. There's a van over there with like a coffee shop inside it.
That's a coffee shop.
That's a coffee shop? Bro, you pull up on your bike with the boys, get some van coffee, hang out on the hammock. That's a vibe. Why didn't they invite us? Can I try to speak into it? So you
press this.
You press that?
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
And you should turn.
So you just killed his power. No way. And it says Surron on it. That's dope. So we got a plate on this Ultra B. We got dual sport scrambler style wheels on both of them. We're rolling right out of the Surron shop. Bro, this is so cool. This is like Charlie going to the chocolate factory. Bro, come on. I'm gonna ride civilized. I'm not trying to go to Hongjo jail. Oh, my bad, my bad. Dude. Dude. Let's go. What the f***? We're gonna turn right on Jingjing Road. Dude, everyone's electric. Listen. Silent. Man, this is so cool. And the weather's so nice. It's like a dream. This doesn't feel real. And this is totally something I would dream of. This road on the side here, it's only for bikes. If you watched my Vietnam video, I love this. Dedicated bike roads. You know what I feel like riding on the Ultra B on this bike path? I feel like this. Look at the skyline here. This is a city you've probably never heard of. And to be frank, I never heard of it either until I knew I was coming here. Hongjo is where some of the biggest tech companies in China are based, and it's like every city in China has a specialty, and this city is a tech city, so it's like San Francisco. So Surron has their tech center here, and then their manufacturing's in another city that specializes in manufacturing. I think this might be Jingjing. No, this is Yangtang. This is Yangtang, we're going to Jingjing. I mean, that's technically a bike. I can't bash him for being in the bike lane. It's like a truck bike. Remember my truck bike? Whoa! Oh, oh. Thing was sick. So romantic. Google Maps does not work in China at all. What's that sound? What the f*** Google Maps?
Where the f*** am I, bro? What the f*** Apple Maps?
Alright, we definitely missed Jingjing Road. We're turning right here on Haichong Road. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. They got like fake Porsches here. They're not fake, but they look just like Porsches, but it's a Chinese company. Dude, I'm having too much fun. Wheeling for all the cameras. Smile. Dude, this is like easily one of the best wheeling bikes ever. Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. Oh my God.
You almost killed him, dude.
He almost killed me. He almost killed me. What the f is he doing walking in the middle of the street? He was like a deer in headlights, dude. A man in Ultra B lights.
We're both hitting the wheelie. Flash. Flash.
So scary, dude. But you know what? They can't see our license plate if we're wheeling.
Someone's getting a ticket, but not me.
They're gonna be like, hey guys, we got a couple tickets in the mail. They got all the photos of us just gooning. Hooning, excuse me, hooning. This is sick. Bustling. Way more people than LA, dude. You'll never see this many people at once. Dude, people just start turning. It's crazy. It's like Vegas in here, but nice. We are in some kind of bar restaurant area. It's really nice at this time of day, all lit up, making me want to pop a wheelie for everybody on the sidewalk. I don't think they see that every day. Quite the view. Oh, it's a green, it's a green. Designated bike parking here. Bang. This is so cool. Downtown on 2 Ultra Beasts in a new city, new country. All right, let's see what kind of food they got. We're not going to 7-Eleven, although it's probably hella different to ours. I'm actually curious. I want to see what's in there. Hello. Doge. Fresh food at the 7-Eleven. Couple wiener dogs. Now, you go to 7-Eleven in America, no way you're getting a tub of fresh tomatoes. Got cucumber lays. Those actually look fire. Zoodles. F***ing hairy nuts. Wow, not a single thing I recognize in here. Dude, where are we? This is crazy. The weather's so perfect right now. Hella pretty. The language barrier is hard though. Next one, next one. Ni hao. He's gonna come up right now and be like, why the f are you touching my bike? There we go. Oh, it fell again. I'm not even gonna turn back. Hey, we're back out on the Ultra Beast.
Pretty close.
Fuck, dude. Oh my god. Cop right there. We're out. Come on. You see the cameras going off? Oh. My bad. Bang. Bang. I'm sick. Back at the Surron headquarters. Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh, the little models. Oh, this is so cool. Surron water bottle. Surron stickers. Dude, that's a badass sticker. Yes, Surron bottle. Fucking Surron jersey, dude. Yeah, shop towel. Fuck, that's dope. Socks. So fucking sick. Cross country race. More stickers. I actually got 2 of these. I'm going to sign one and send it off to a lucky commenter down below. Next week, we're checking out the unreleased Talaria komodo in the world's biggest city. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And stay tuned.
Yeah.